It's my pleasure to introduce Vidushi Srimati Manju Bhairavi L, Director of Natya Bhairavi Kala Kutira. Srimati Manju Bhairavi, dancer, choreographer, instructor, is known for her mastery in Bharatanatyam. She started her dance journey under the guidance of Guru Dr. Lakshmi Nagesh, Director of Ajanta Cultural and Educational Society. With Guru Geeta Srinath and Guru Swarup Lakshmi, she has completed her junior and senior exams in dance conducted by KSEEB. She completed her pre-Vidvat and Guru Brinda K. She has completed MA in dance from Bangalore University. Along with dance, she also trained in yoga under Sri Nagesh and has recently obtained diploma in yoga from Dharwada University.
समुद्भव मंगलरूपिणि मंत्रनिवासिनि मंत्रनुते मंगलदायिनि अम्बुजवासिनि देवगणाश्रितपादयुते जय जय हे मधुसूदनकामिनि धान्यलक्ष्मि जय पालय माम्
चंद्रमंगलम जगन्नाथ